Rahim, good morning, 9th class. Today we'll start the next type of the tissues, which is compound tissues. We have discussed simple tissues in our previous class. Simple tissues are the tissues which are made up of one type of cell. Now, the second type of the tissues which is present in the plant are the compound or complex tissues. Compound or complex tissues, they are basically composed of more than one type of cells. Okay, when more than one type of cells they combine, they form the compound or complex tissues. Okay, example of compound or complex tissues in plants are xylem and phloem tissues. Okay, and they are present in the vascular plants. Okay, vascular plants are the plants in which xylem and phloems are present. Okay, these are basically tube-like structure and they are responsible for transport of different material in plant. Okay, these are both are tube-like structure. Okay, we will discuss these two. First of all, xylem tissues. Xylem tissues, they are responsible for transport of water and dissolved substances from root to the aerial part of the plant. Okay, so what they do, they transport water and different dissolved substances like minerals from soil to the aerial part of the plant. Aerial part of the plant means to the upper part of the plant, like in stems, in leaves. They are responsible for transport of water and minerals. Okay. Next is structure of xylem tissue. It's basically have lignin, and which due to the presence of lignin, their secondary walls are thick and rigid. Okay, they have secondary cell wall which is rigid and thick because of the presence of lignin, and due to lignin they are also responsible to support the plant body. Okay, this is another function of xylem tissue, that it also support the plant tissue. Okay, the two type of tissues which is present in the xylem tissues are two types of cells. कौन से cells इसमें present है? Vessel elements and tracheids. Two types of cells which are present in xylem tissues are vessel elements or tracheids. Okay, these are this is basically the structure of xylem tissue, and it is made up of two types of cells. These are vessel elements and these are tracheids. Vessel elements, they have, this is vessel element, they have thick secondary cell wall, and they lack end walls, and they join together to form a long tube-like structure. Okay, this is tube-like structure, and this is basically responsible for the transport of water and mineral in the plant. Okay, the second type of cell which is present in xylem is the tracheids. This is tracheids, and these are cylinder cells, and they have overlapping end. Okay, so these are the two type of cells which is present in the xylem tissues. Okay, next type of compound tissues is the phloem tissues. Okay, phloem tissues, they are also tube-like structure, and they are basically responsible for the conduction of organic matter between different parts of the body. Organic matter which is mostly transported by phloem is food. So phloem tissues, they are responsible for the transport of food in plant. Okay, in the different part of the plant body, phloem are responsible for the transport of food. Okay, the different types of cells which is present in phloem tissues are sieve tube cells and companion cells. There are two types of cells which is present in phloem tissues, is the sieve tube cells, and second one is companion cells. Okay, these are two types of cells. Okay, this is basic structure of phloem tissues, and these are two types of cells, sieve tube cells and companion cells. Okay, sieve tube cells, they are also long and their end walls have small pores, and they also join together and they form the long tube-like structures. Sieve tubes form a tube-like structures. Or companion cells, basically they form proteins for tube cells, sieve tube cells. Okay, so these are the different types of cells which is present in phloem tissues. Okay, and they are responsible for the conduction of food in plant body. Okay, there is another question is given in your book. Birds fly by flapping their wings. What do you think the type of muscles responsible for wing flapping? कौन से muscles हैं wing flapping में help करते हैं? तो they are skeletal muscles. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Okay, so this is the end of unit. I hope आपने साथ साथ लर्न किया होगा. एज यू नो कि आपका दोबारा रिपीट नहीं होगा स्कूल में, तो आपने साथ साथ इसको लर्न करना है. जैसे ही आपके स्कूल खुलेंगे आपके टेस्ट स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप रोज़ डेली अपना लेक्चर लर्न किया करें अच्छे से. डोंट मिस एनी पॉइंट. मेक MCQ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन साथ साथ करेंगे एज यू नो, तो आपका लर्न होगा. और डायग्राम की प्रैक्टिस करें इसमें से. और कोई क्वेश्चन कोई भी हो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. ओके, तो दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ आवर यूनिट नंबर 4. अब इसके रिव्यू क्वेश्चंस देख लीजिए. मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. फर्स्ट वन इज विच ऑफ दिस क्लूज वुड टेल यू वेदर अ सेल इज प्रोकैरियोटिक और यूकैरियोटिक. ठीक है, कौन सा क्लूज से पता चलेगा आपको? दिस आंसर इज बी, whether or not the cell is partitioned by internal membrane. Okay, this is the answer of MCQs number 1. Okay, B is the answer. Okay, second one is there are dash micrometer in 1 millimeter. कितने माइक्रोमीटर होते हैं? Its answer is C, 1000. Okay, next is the plasma membrane does all of these except. कौन कौन से काम करता है प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन? इसके अलावा ना. ए इज द आंसर, कंटेन द हेरिडिटरी मटेरियल. ओके, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन में हेरिडिटरी मटेरियल नहीं होता. ओके, MCQs 4, विच ऑफ दिस मटेरियल इज नॉट अ कंपोनेंट ऑफ अ प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. ठीक है, कौन सा कंपोनेंट नहीं है? इस आंसर इज डी, DNA. ओके, डी इज द आंसर. MCQs 5, cell walls are found in these organism except for. किसमें cell wall नहीं होती? Is the answer is B, animals. Okay, the dash is a major component of plant cell wall. कौन सा major component है plant cell wall का? Answer is C, cellulose. Okay, plants. Next one is plant cell have dash and dash which are not present in animal cells. क्या होता है प्लांट सेल में जो एनिमल सेल में नहीं होते? इस आंसर इज डी, क्लोरोप्लास्ट एंड सेल वॉल. MCQs 8, द डैश इज द मेम्ब्रेन इनक्लोज स्ट्रक्चर इन यूकैरियोटिक सेल्स दैट कंटेन द DNA ऑफ द सेल. ठीक है, इसका आंसर है आंसर इज डी, न्यूक्लियस. न्यूक्लियस में DNA होता है. ओके, नंबर 9, राइबोसोम्स आर कंस्ट्रक्टेड इन द. राइबोसोम्स कहाँ फॉर्म होते हैं? Answer is B, nucleide. Number 10, rough endoplasmic reticulum is the area in a cell where dash are synthesized. क्या synthesize होते हैं rough endoplasmic reticulum में? C is the answer, lipids. Okay. Next one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum is the area in the cell where where dash are synthesized. Its answer is proteins. Basically, smooth endoplasmic answer of rough endoplasmic is protein. This answer wrong दिया हुआ है. It's not like. And smooth endoplasmic का आंसर जो है वो लिपिड है. Okay, this one is correct. Okay, MCQ is 12. The mitochondrial function क्या है? In cellular respiration. Okay, MCQ is number 3rd. The thin extension of the inner mitochondrial membrane are known as cristae. Okay, MCQs नंबर 13 का आंसर है क्रिस्टी. ओके, ये 10 का आंसर जो है वो प्रोटीन वाला. दिस इज रॉन्ग आंसर. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज द क्लोरोप्लास्ट फंक्शन इन. क्लोरोप्लास्ट का क्या फंक्शन है? फोटोसिंथेसिस. ओके, और विच ऑफ द सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स दे हैव देयर ओन DNA? All of these. Okay, so this is the MCQs of unit number 4. Okay, learn this chapter and revise your previous chapters. पिछले chapters भी revise कर लें आप, वो भी साथ साथ करें, and don't waste your time and properly learn your lectures. Okay, from today, Allah Hafiz.